Here we go. CloutsnChara's 2-box break. 111-12 Crown Round. 111-12 limited that he got as part of CNC number 3000 yesterday. So good luck to you, buddy. All right, we've got a rookie autograph. Craig Smith. And an Ice Kings of John Tavares. Rookie autograph, Patrick Werkach. And a rookie, Harry Sateri. All the Kingsmen jersey, Joe Colborne. Peace. And an All the Kingsmen jersey, Taylor Hall. And a Ruby of Jason Spezza. All right, now on to the limited. All right, base card number 299, Matthias Tenby. Stanley Cup winners, number 199, Evgeny Malkin. We've got a banner season number 299, Ryan Kessler. Oh, that's nice. We've got a Phenoms rookie autograph number 299, Ryan Johansson. Ryan Johansson. We've got a jersey number 99, Chris Pronger. We've got a two-color jersey prime number 11 of 25, Matt Duchene. And we got a team trademarks number 299, Jamie Benn. So there we go, buddy.